Srihari. I'm doing internship at LEXIS and Company. I'm studying at Presidency University, Bangalore. Today my topic is euthanasia and right to life. Why I choose this topic basically to give a basic introduction on euthanasia and also what is the contradictory towards this, because this is one of my favorite topic where I like to speak more on the one of the article 21 and also on the topic euthanasia. Talking about the concept, what is euthanasia means? Euthanasia means mercy of killing. In a common layman language, you can say like it is where there is a concern by a person to kill him in a bad condition. So, talking about right to life with this euthanasia. Right to life means it is mentioned in the constitution, that is article 21, where every person has equal right to live with dignity. When does this euthanasia been conducted? When the person is in vegetative state where he's not capable of moving, he is in bad condition. So by the help of the concern of people, the doctors conduct this treatment, that is euthanasia, to people who are in danger situation. But do you think whether it can violate the rights of individual? Yes, I think we can violate, because in one of the case, that is P. Ratnam versus Union of India, which was held in the year 1844, the Supreme Court held that it is the section violates 309 of Article 21, that is right to life. Sorry, it's not. It's held that section 309 was violative of Article 21, right to life. Hence, it is unconstitutional. Unconstitutional means it's not constitutional in the sense. But same year, not same year, the case was overruled by Gur King versus State of Punjab in the year 1996, where a judge said that it can include death with dignity, but this does not mean the right to end life with an unnatural termination of life. But I don't strongly agree to this point, because in the courts or in the eyes of law law is the only authority to punish the people and also to hang them. Even though doctors does not have any right to conduct the euthanasia. In India it is not legalized, but in most of the foreign countries like Colombia, United States, Alabama, these countries are being legalized in this in this area, euthanasia. Talking about more legality in euthanasia in India, in this one of other case, the judgment was delivered by the Honorable Chief Justice of India, where the passive euthanasia was not done by the legal doctor who caused euthanasia under section 300 exception 5, since they had no intention to causing that. But in if you talk about the article 21, there are many loopholes that we can find for saying against euthanasia, because it can also happen without the concern, where there will be an intention by the person to kill him, even though it's he is or she is in a vegetative state or in a bad condition. In moral sense, if we more talk about euthanasia, it's morally bad in my sense, because even though there are very many cases which have been happened in India where a person have been saved, had been gain their life in a critical situation where there was a 1% chance. So also in the case of Nirvya, we can say that the woman was in a vegetative state where she was survived. At last she was surviving she was surviving in a hospital by all medical treatments, but there also there was scope of euthanasia, but did not apply it, because there was more chances of recovering her. There was 1% chance, where she was gone to Singapore for the treatment. So this is what euthanasia can be applied in a sense where it is indeed but euthanasia it's morally bad, I think, because it violates the right to life, that is article 21 of the constitution. In one of the other cases, that is article 21 constitution, where it is been described in the following cases: Unikrishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh 1993, which was happened, where the Supreme Court upheld the judgment by expanding the article 21 right to life, where right to shelter, right against solitary confinement, So moreover, it expanded the interpretation of right to life. So my opinion on this would be that euthanasia should not be legalized in India, even though it should not be legalized in other countries. This is my concept. So if you want to talk about more euthanasia, right of life, just we can compare about the articles, and because there are more other loopholes that we need to find about concept of root other than the articles that we referred to. Because in one of the famous case, if you know, one of the games, that is R versus Dooley, where there was 4 persons who was been going in a ship. Therefore, a survival, they did not had any food or shelter, and the boat was been destroyed. And one of the person from the four, one of the person, by the help of a dice, they decided to eat one person. This term is known as cannibalism. So there also the right to life was being violated by eating one person for the hungry of four. So same it is also euthanasia, because law and God, they have only the power to take the life of person. No other person can take the life. Even though the doctors are the person who should try the maximum best to survive the patient, but they don't have any right to kill the person, even though they say that it's a euthanasia process where it's a mercy of killing. So this is my concept on the two topics, that is euthanasia and article 21 of constitution. If you like, please subscribe, comment. If you have any queries, you can text in the comment box. I will reply to that. This video is only for the educational purpose, not for any entertainment advertisement. So thank you, bye.